A fresh leak about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has dropped some juicy details on the phone's wireless charging capabilities. A tweet from leaker Jukin Mosrif on X revealed a Spigen liquid crystal case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the image showed a circular pattern in the middle of the case. This suggests that the phone will support magnetic MagSafe style wireless charging. The case box even labels it MagFit for MagSafe, which backs up some of the rumors floating around about the S25 series. Here's the kicker. The fact that you'll need a case to use this magnetic charging means the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't come with built-in magnets to support Qi 2 wireless charging. In simpler terms, you'll have to buy a case to get that MagSafe magic going. So, if you want that magnetic charging feature, get ready to shell out for a compatible case. Now about charging speeds. Rumors say the Galaxy S25 will charge wirelessly at 25 watts, a nice bump from the 15 watts on the Galaxy S24. However, the FCC certification for the base model of the Galaxy S25 mentions just 9 watts wireless charging speed. So, we'll need another leak or official specs to really figure out what's going on with wireless charging on the lower-end Galaxy S25. As for wired charging, the Galaxy S25 will reportedly charge at 25 watts, while the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra models will support faster 45 watts wired charging. Looks like Spigen and other case manufacturers might have some competition in the magnetic wireless charging game, with some speculating Samsung left out built-in magnets on purpose to push more of their own cases. Personally, I've had great experiences with Spigen cases on my Pixel phones. They offer solid protection and a good value, so I'm curious to see how they perform with the S25 series. So, what do you think about these new Spigen cases? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.